The cruise control, if you look up in the top corner there, is set for 71, and the speed is about 59, and that's because there's a truck in front, and the car is setting its distance, setting its speed from the truck in front, so the cruise control is adjusted down. Now, if you see here on the dash, you got these buttons here. The car's now going to accelerate because I've shortened the gap. Now the truck's going to leave and I'm going to hit a trailer, and you watch this, it will slam on the brakes in a second. Here we go, slamming on the brakes, getting a little bit close, but now it's going to adjust itself and position itself out again. So it's a bit freaky when it's doing all that for you, but you get here this button right there, you get to adjust. That's now back to 3. You can either have 2 or 1 as to how far the distance is, and that's the distance at 3. So yeah, it's self-adjusting. You've got the lane assist on as well. If I get too close to the lane, it'll beep, that beep, 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 and carry on. So yeah, great little system, and it works. It's smooth enough and works really well.